everybody. Um, I wanted to talk today about the next Ask Me Anything questions that I've been receiving. Today's was I'm struggling with my website, right? Struggling with what to do, how to organize it, what to say, and what to put on there. So, the biggest suggestion is that, maybe that's not the right question. The question is, what do I need to do in order to show my credibility online? And there's lots of different ways to do that. So I'm not saying you don't need a website. I'm just suggesting that it depends on what stage you're at and what you might need to do. Gone are the old days of needing pages and pages of a website, with your um, lots of different sections, clients, all the success stories. You really just need a credibility landing, right? You need some place to direct people to that show who you are and what you're doing. You can do this on a website, but the websites are a lot simpler. So you need to think simpler. And you also need to think backwards. Don't think about what you need to say to people. Think about what they need to hear in order to be able to work with you. So it's a lot simpler, like a shorter bio than a whole long about page. Forget the entire history of everything. They want to hear your story. They want to hear how you're getting to where you are and why you're there to serve them. The other things are, instead of entire page of client lists, you really want, references, testimonials, maybe a couple of logos from the companies that you worked with. Think lighter, think fresher, think contemporary, and think how you would have a conversation with somebody, right? Your initial conversation with someone wouldn't be this big bam kind of, action. It would be a much more, softer hello. And that's really the trend of the way things are going. So let's get back to the answer to the question is about the website. So if you simplify what you're thinking you need to do, that's what I've been talking about now. That's one way to look at your website. Another way to do this is to have other ways of landing, right? Having that conversation of people with some credibility, but out into the platforms of where they're actually seeing you. So if Facebook is your platform, you might want to have a Facebook page. You might want to have a Facebook group and have some more information in those profiles. Other ways to do this are if you're, excuse me, if you're selling products or services, you can have pages that just do that and have them land right there and have some background on you that then link to your website. So don't think just in the old terms of what you need to do to construct, a full large website, because those days are long gone. It's refreshing to know that it's actually easier than the question that you're asking yourself. So if you want to get some tips, I've got YouTube videos on this same topic on how to create some landing pages. And I've also got a full page of resources with links on how to build things. So just let me know what it is that you need. Click down below with some comments and make sure to drop your next questions for the next Ask Me Anything. Okay? Have a great day. Oh, this is long. Sorry. Lots of clicks today. Have a good one.